Tiana pe mo be bia kwa ba bia men fan bright DSG TV midi edi nana ama boeji wa happy Easter to you all especially mo amushe me no nyame hwa mo papa me say Easter ye wo say COVID-19 ti na ma ye nyina ye ho aye kakra but then no I hope say Easter ko sene wo say etumi ko no in your own small way but mo dia na gina sorry tina fie na pe wo coke ni wo jollof rice bi na je say wedi now so hu etumi ato kama na anope no Nsemsem Dwumadze so na wa wonim se me betina akonwum na me de bre wo but and then because of the Easter holidays no ye dwe Nyankopon ni wo ne sorry o ya Sunday wo sorry ye nyina no obeji ye kwa ye boni nyina no ofa edi free one na no ntino and then ye be something brief. So not to take your time. Na say na to me also to me aye nia opese o ye no ntino ye bebo hwi na yakonkran memu na yakwakohwe se na Easter holidays no eye gafo no musi efa edi no wa wonim se ne eka woni 13 days ya eye lockdown we start o mampani edebeto wa start bebre na no eye asodin ewom wo hwe se na apostifo na asojafo yi asotwe wodi omode yema wo mu bebe na so de wose eye oyo ewo honum nemom enka Easter die ya ye ni to akowo ko enka ne bibia jejina so de nkran bebia boso na so no ye bekoye nsem troni eye kojo adofo honum na ye bisa no Ernest adofo ye bisa no se ne nema yesi ko e won kran aso eye lockdown we any COVID-19 Easter celebration no e won kran no eti se wono ye nsem troni a owo enkran kojo utimi nka ma wakwa aba
ejo so na nama
aha where you uti na wie
me me have about you
is there no be a self barbering because in the messy quality one ye ni side however could you me be so lockdown we COVID-19 and that room is stay send the messy call and cranny to say
COVID-19 is stay here the baby anama idiot Oba aka we still my din
sir
well the dia din nipa makumenu di na bo somo na e kwa nwa omukoye omu se ejam ko ju se wo o ma na ba kwa be chim na ba kwa be chim sa
oh okay and I say bibia no no ma e koso njo wo se ne nema si eye na say ya dey lockdown no temufo mo won kran mem no mu di so a
lockdown there will be a shady dem will be di lockdown so oba adaraka sahara you know Newtown there so will be a Newtown na ejana nipa ma kwa nche nipa ma ko bi na nkwa ho ba enye cheche na oni se na computer no it's so slow I be very slow sir.
Oh okay with the sharing of food you know on say bebre na no mo ka the social media say aduane no kra no enye de so I know so do so na ma da so kra po enye nkran hye na ya posifo die na nka 100 cedis per day na wo ha aduane e de ma wo mo ni no emze o mo kra aya kire say enya de a aduane o mo de ma wo mo no so ni 100 cedis no any other civilians o mo so complain wo ha aduane aya chei who as a journalist no wo observations towards it in saying
me that's nana me can say for me my view nko for ba ku ni bia me no mo kasa ya no it looks like expectation no mo nya na abayenshi I think she na they were expecting anything your food as in uncooked ones.
Oh, okay.
Obi ejije moboto na da question tie no anu kaka. So say da ya wo say ejane say anu adama. Obi see o bi see ba.
So mo per raw food no.
Na say ba na dey. Omo abisi mu kotokwa abisi o so ade ni eyi kika ho. So na so ka ba na. Obi ade gu ni park mo ba na. Obi ni so sai na. I complain.
Oh, I see. Hey, Ghana for no. Just a cooked one and no moon pen, no more person which makes any Janino, and so a movie and now wretched be near fancy.
I don't make a complaint. Every obey Yama Benzo. Maybe me stay a binding to Mamma in Chimianca and your crying, and yet the other about again as the argument. Okay, so now start to complain. I might be by any time on the day.
Oh, okay. But Mammy Bissau, a security for an affair Musun over BBI, okay, because previous this Nayan in Tier, quite almost here for air blue, be more harassment near the air cost near the you're quiet, Nimuha, and near Massissa, and I said no Mugusuna no more.
American is if anything, accepted ones, no, if anything. If we are allowed to come out, one, I was who crowd ID. And even after our crowd ID, because at least the American say, you check the Juma t-shirt. So if in case one, you use my ideas easier, meaning so one, meaning you my ideas easier, for an hour 5 for you understand. So if I'm coming out, one, and when you actually police in the Benya, and won't tell you media techno. So who are whom I said you media techno. Say, like, one, or dress of course, if we are media techno, that will be show, or dressing, haircuts in here, baby or 1 year, not like a chain, or Ben will be south. Then a chest, we media techno. Not when you IB card action. But if we are waiting, we are one church, we are media personnel. Now, I know that we are just to show you media personnel, one without an ID card as well. Then I think we are also wrong. You understand? And we make the police management thing. You understand? And with the police management, the make us say they are doing their work. You enforcement, you understand?
Well, Kojo, Mami Bissau, you being a journalist, no? What do you think, Penny for a year concerning the lockdown, no? Food sharing, yeah, because food sharing, no, other private stakeholders, any individuals also helping with that. And you know, what do you think, Sanka, Penny for a year? Bet to me, Abuana, this complaint from Kaya Yofo, especially. Near dear Ebe can no bet to me abrasi and I say, a bet to me abuana lockdown we to me our cost was near a city.
Pertaining is an enano. Anna. Senia, yes, change any I feel lockdown, which is a young penny for the buy any idea. You being a journalist, what would you appeal? Say, I'm company for a year, I bet to me abua. Na lockdown we and I say fighting of COVID-19 ebe to me akonu ama wachine bi no yankopon so ya en konkofa ehun sunsun so bia en famba. Well, my humble request, Mr. With the idea too is just we should go on lockdown. I think a best idea. Understand? With that, we don't spread the disease. If it's not yet into a dinner and offend the virus, it is not to spread the disease. I think I would say more indoors to prevent it. Two, with the animals, I think good ones now. Yes, village may complain. Say yes, it should be given to the Kayo. Not the reason being that. One, they already complain. I'm complaining that I say they don't have a place to sleep. I'm going to do that.
Baby, so someone come with my now. On stations, I hold draw and come.
Some other station now command on cooked ones. I have no con. I'm not saying me baby dog on anyway.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So the cooked ones should be given to. I think I'm going to be that. Then I'm going to be done with and also need an by I know that it's taking care of like you are shade and fine at their mom. everything is balanced. And with the uncooked ones, if it should be given to Oma,
baby Tino.
And also it should be given to the Munomin the year. Oben one and Fanny, Oben Shara Marako. And even with that, I bet like I say, or any one should be because if you can say baby I am going to cook fish, baby I need the bells, that's myself.
Wow, I think
you should share by the two Janity. That's the book.
Okay, could you miss and be so be more? A money be soon I watch and I say, I did a lockdown with buy or more a kunuma for Bronya who every alcohol de more D and Casadamica out here. Yeah, near man and Casana, and Miss Ayambo almost so. You've been a journalist, you've been roaming all this while. Where shall be beside? Send no more as a call moon semifa.
When I see him, Roger, the share, the I've read about it and I've seen it, I think, always, I'm not in support of my boss, okay? But if one, a Juma keep your husband busy, one of them, and I need to know, one, even if a Juma keep your husband or your spouse busy, you complain authority and I will be sure. So those the time one, usually in 24 hours, the windows a week. And if a Juma any source of entertainment, not when you're any source of entertainment, Juma, I think you should be a source of entertainment now. You understand? So,
yes, sir. But say no more you complaining, so it looks like a oh, Musa. So, Musi complaining, say, near me, a Jumani Yado, so I will Musui.
One, which means let's your idols, something must, keep the man busy, and something must surely kill a man, also be a question.
Okay, all right. And it was and I said, on any edition, Comono, our day in Crato free in crime, what they bread. Tell me, I was one war in some trony. Our no war and crime, Muntini Bibiania. Near both she, near corner was any bear will bet to me. Eddie, the Acosto and Crino, Eddie Abray, but I mean, can't you say, no COVID-19 Western region, your first case. As to which town or district or municipality, it has not been communicated. So let us all put our fingers crossed and then wait. And even if say Kobani say who town and I say district case near record or honor, so your mom pie say a bear testy negative. That is what we should all be hoping for. We should stop spreading news and nekre na edin susanso boni ede bebre yen. Enti no. So let us all get our ears tuned to Ghana Health Service information awon ede be maye na yen disu na yen jai say tietie enkrofo bi anono eno emfa mputuo emfa mbre yen ewo COVID-19 fight mu. But mami san kwa homa ne so ya say nya ensem troni wono wo nkran wo te amasaman te amasaman poku ase wonom no eho wodi mu akotini ye pa ono e friend Josephine na fianko wono ene ne batwetwe nko bisa ne se stay se na nema esi ko ono aka so wa quarantine no ho dadada eji joy wujina so a mema akwa basunku
mama mejo so
ene de obefrem mama eba ne eba sa na de befrem menye no a
asemo ni abayi de
eji jo stay ene what is saying
so we be some ya say the Obama man na say cry won kan fe na masama na ni poka sympathy na de is that no who share I say normal day and now cry holiday we were expecting say we say go for prepare so more cold beaches and the rest but who babon who pia bon dey answer we should be cry na day baby I dey obi sure. And then this directive came from the president. You are supposed to stay indoors. MOB and baby. If you stay there, Corona number stay in Stanamay.
Okay, but I think say last week ni mu and as a lockdown is starting no. Na amasama impoku asi hono na kwakwaye problem between the security men no any temufo mo wo sa mountain so. Ya hwe sisi ahoma bo nsem ewo amasama ni poku asi no mountain ho no ti say.
Oh, sisi ade ahoma bo nsem na ye.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. If you say, you'll be able to say whatever is going on, yeah, ebedia boy, so say they will be at say beginning no more their politics. But to say I will know how say they will be at say Mudi Manason.
Yeah, peer market women for if you quite no home and to find more
was so them for any bit so. Into immediate time for this say be good mom be you if you but me no ka say as na be pia bonso na bi mu da so abonso mo to ande.
Wow. John, maybe so you being a journalist no. Yeah, ka say observation towards the lockdown any COVID-19 fight here. How do you see everything? Is there anything that you will appeal the authorities to do to help with the fight against COVID-19? Young conquer any issues behind farm ritual.
Me, the only thing I would suggest is say, among Titan security no more. That is near Ghanaian, okay. Once a Ghana for we are, your life is style be. Your person didn't see, so you're taking measures to it. This I didn't see, and I say, will be our ben, and some will take measures or will agree to whatever thing they're telling us to do.
Okay.
So it's my say. People are still going out. We have people who are still going out, and we have some who are staying indoors for their own good. Obi wa ho be ka say, "And I buy my media It to me share demo. But ask yourself, say, you're in a show, they'll be to my share demo. So, see, I want to me share demo ball by you're in a bowl, they'll be to me. I said demo, and I'll be to my quarantine. No. So, I think whatever the president is doing, or Danny Quem.
Well, with the Nsemsem Dwumadze so no, it's on social media. Say Dwumadze no kra na nya hom ka unhu Dwumadze no kra na just wa be mu ase ebu say Dwumadze ni na enye da na ensan so no so edo so anam no so nso ene fan kosi ni nsem bebre na ka omu hia krampo anka Dwumadze kra nka ma ye noa enka ye fa ma wo mu sa ba looking at kayo yo fo omu wo kromu ni ade a wo mu no se be wo mu ni bebi omu di omu ti beto ni ade. How do you rate it? How do you rate
it? There are people who are sleeping on the streets. If you say, oh, call, let's say, if you're in bro on cooked, you know, that kind of only silver, only coal pot, only cylinder, or not so better than one region. President, the money directives say, and distributed to the vulnerable in the community.
Sure.
We have people behind that. They're also making or taking advantage of this thing that is going on. If the president can give like 10 bags of rice, will be able to need 5 a few, not the 5 of the money people in the community. So what I say? And non shares the president and then I might have buried at the end of the day, you know, on what can I say? No, be and then on Simin and so be as one, he is trying his best. Say, did any bro or who would be uncle you wouldn't go in for that food? So I'll just advise the people in my community and then Ghana as a whole. So whatever thing they are receiving, they should be proud of it. They should at least say thank you to the president.
Do you think that Ghanaians are demanding?
Ghanaians, we are too demanding. Yeah, need you. That is how we are.
Okay. Now, am I a woman? Say a lockdown we are. Omo ekunum no so how do you see it? Do you think say laudable concern or raising and I said they're just trying to bring something out?
Yeah, can you some you are talking about sex? Oh, that issue there, mommy, I don't want to go there. I don't even mean person me the coming home.
Because you know, say some bloggers been taking this thing up and they are really discussing it. I'm another baby who our public.
We have stomach bloggers.
Okay.
So
they have termed themselves as journalists.
I can sit in my house without going to a media school. Yet in your blog, I can write anything about someone. At the end of the day, Megidi. What I say? They are stomach bloggers. Not every blogger is a journalist. Once you can type and create your own blog, you can do something. At the end of the day, monetize whatever he's doing. Into one is a film. Into story be a better, no better.
And it's
I'll just advise that Ghanaians should get the right information from the right sources. If the information is not from the president or the Ministry of Information or the Ministry of Health, to me, that is what I would say.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, Joe, my info will NC has said now we'll get back to you as and when I will proceed with the law because a lot they are sitting for to another week. It's about 3 weeks, I don't know.
Yeah, they're quite a better 3 months.
Oh, yeah, special. Yeah, special. Well, it's always Tony. I just if you're on any literature in common free and crying, and I know literature and common with also as a journalist, you know, that is how she sees the whole thing. And say, Joe, my better was say, nah, and wow, on our company free so cried that then yes, I'm so lockdown with Eddie and Sembe brain, but I mean, can Joe say, yeah, lockdown to one party, but let's all try to protect ourselves and then adhere to the precaution measures now. Yeah, they ama say banisana ebe boine nyina to me stay safe. Momodi anso natina fie utina fie no so no ebe boa wo enemy nyinara. But Minka just as at now we have recorded case in 566 Ashanti region I recorded 49. Greater Accra I recorded 452, Eastern region 32, Upper West 7, Upper East 4, North East 1, Northern 10, and then Volta 9, Central 1, Western 1. Mild cases overall 552, severe ones 2, and then recoveries 4, and as we know the death 6. And you know, as in when I call forward and patch my yambo modian yendi. The ampenifo ediama so send your baby to me call fine. But then my jin krawatia because you better not say na jumekobi and no in hoka and you to me the live broadcasting Eddie bro and also who near echo so our mind into majin krawatia me ba ya be call ya ba ya diem Western region has ya be beach a whole draw na ya kwa shenia echo so hoso.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumeza idun we aye mpobwa. Mpobwa sort desert, lufes, lipes na de. Say pem works na da ebo Emmanuel into blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ibun e pem location so am a Greek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Okay, Busia, my main that was say Uguswa would share and some Dwumadze on Ideas TV. I always tell you, say, if you really want an online TV station, well resource and I see to me the news about mind man and some make you go mind made by upon any Ideas TV. We are based in a fear kuma why I say any VIP junction one and your studio no but my main call New Takrade Nsemsem Selina Amidu Zainab Amidu or Honum and wakako PM Ponano Honum and no my embisano because recently and I said weekend videos be in stories been that on change I say bimu and fa restricts a dear more almost a moon call a beaches are no womo and fa ni juma and no pe and but we want to ensure say Western region has say no in some of their mind be ye juma send a even though you recorded one case there that we are hoping is a very negative no yen sign and coffee before and farm man be cow Selena what him in car me walk about some quite by Ideas TV Nsemsem Dwumadze so wow Selena page your voice ni muka krama me why good new takrade wujina asia na sesoro epo ni hifa na wujina sisia
me wo assist ate efi epo ate empo anu ko na sisia no gebe pimu so ate empo anu hate.
Well, Sally, mami bisa wo from the start of the Easter celebration here, wo dey what to honum bi, and to woni omu nebo edi agro ni ade na. From the start of the Easter celebration up to now no, wo ha epo na no honum ne nkrofo ko ho.
So for now no the not in test. And Easter Monday and also be a celebrate at no set the according to me and Casania so can Cassan Cavaba dia Canica Baby Hina I had the Amuya Eco Joy put your money when a girlfriend when a Nigerian and Banya Busapina. Dear good one and your chocolate are chocolate more Jollof fathers anything and when your dear Nissa but for now no. Ubeduta kwade asia from a quarter to asia. The room be a water one after watching going at the dinner kwano. I so me many and answer minimum for ye should what they big that. Ubaha, I united in so we say it a pussy you see a mind. I had the united Ubaha your boat no be an Wakatia, Menocalegu, the boatman after she will the Kosako Yinam. They big that be SNP. Wow, your mom's would them out what you want, or Jenny, a Conava, Gavata, the winning Tebeka would be come. What they would have I am giving, shall we say, and then I did have Gentile social distance.
Okay.
Social distance and again. I say, Oman Manoco, we go to cry to see out there, go to start there. Ufaka, social distance, or whatever you think. Obia, Oman, just a one chat, a couple of social distance, oh, my. Social distance and yeah, Juma, but upon a move every back at home, some any idea to know, but social distance no, and a high jet papa, Juma.
Okay,
I'm over Juma. Now, the buyer, the most I have been here, and your ball, I'm so. Nanama, I will go try, would you go to shoot? I will go up and now, about him. I said, we know whenever with you. We what about promotion one and no so Nanama, automatic toilet not say or almost me, if you want to form and I'm modern net, I just want to wait for you. I don't get the boom. I'm a walk to and walk to one another. How will we and nothing to what?
Well, with the Ebola issue, no, but what the info we need now we'll get authorities to speak on that because in this crucial moment, you know, we are binding in penny for any the Ministry of Local Government. I am man they come at this freshness as our market said, you in Asia or one. Now, so when you break papa, and it's a Ebola, no, so no, I zoom line for one to me and me pejable and in faith. Nature said there is a question mark, and you know, we'll draw the attention on that. But let me ask you, sir. Fisher folks, you know, are they going on sea? How Omukopo? And are they Omina Tifi, Omina airborne Mubine?
The Sicilian overdo had ya, but also be coupled the bigger. Shamana, let it tell social a year, everyone will say Jenny Ewo, and Ponoso, will be a and more and Ponoso, where Baco church and a more net after we inside and the others of boom apple pumpkin pumps and then will be a new one. What apples when you be a new no ban, no shame, be to our sooner.
Okay, now as a sales near the uncle.
Debbie, the Diani and let 3 days to say, and Kolan, Nanka, a police factory, and my edition says she won't papa penny penny and Jaman, Nadia. Nobody, I had a name with you, be a new one.
Yes, you want
Annie.
But do you know, sir, and Ranun Tressa Yanshu Womu?
Oh, Nama, it's negotiation twins. First one, yeah, but I have no baby. What's what do you papa? That's the idea of be a say, or my boy, and you're day, or over here. It's not almost Punimo and a police for a but so when you're calamity, and you can afford your much my most of us because of my brothers or some compass of the meaning to police follow. I'm on my
okay, well, we are some Johnny now also. They are all Chineke say, and no one, I dare post if one home coins won't mesh you or Manessa.
Annie.
All right. And you know, Nsemsem Choni Selena and you know, from New Takrady. I told you, say, and then no, yeah, Konosa, we are taking updates from all the regions, no, their air coastal with the COVID-19 fight. It's any uncle for AD and Maya share Ediamo Muse Womu and this so. But then, yeah, we are trying all possible by see a bit to me a Kumasi, near Kwaji Kumasi, so send your Nema AC air call Ewo Hono, but me say, Sem Choni no. Yeguso aye try say ye be nya no say wopa eye takrade ha say yan so engineer takrade ha say yan so a eye bitisa wodro aye nim san kan dey anka koye holiday yi kwan de anka nipa egu so ewo Alam Beach ni ade de krama yi kra enim sa nanso no Nsemsem Choni Gabriel Frimpon no san so me producer for Nsemsem Dwumadze no obekọ honom na wokọ honom ade besi no be ma yaso etumi ate na before that let's go to Kumasi make I say beko Kumasi nti enko Ashanti region adwempahini Kofi Mensa unu say week mu nyina no since lockdown we woni yen edi dwuma ye papa pasa na semchirofo ye betumi ya na yaba nti na ye tutusira o mampani say front line na sem ye wo kan won fa yen so enka ho adwempanyina hene
Miniaba.
Ana pe mo akwa sronko kra.
Mejoso pa na afisna. Happy Easter.
Thank you, and same to you. I hope say self quarantine. You are still doing it, even though you are working, but you are ensuring say self quarantine. Obey.
I know the first time cry, dear. What's the making of one son?
No crack because we
77 periods and all for one quiet, you man, dear better hope. We from Abbott Faso, and you are now born by.
And no, because we know we muntin say we see you munas a one cassa with room my bed and you one and no say na and tell me say Kumasi to say Easter cause say dear unim wa winim bitches are whole dressing and never be sibabu bossoni adie never to say oh
you made us say miniaba na Yafa kwanya we so entia ahwefo nyina sonkokra na instead some no se be elkonya nyina yenim se yare yinti no amasisi na nigye ni nyina na yakanhye mu yefra se yedi Easter ne beka ne se na ewo soro a bre ko na nimge hu se ba form na se Christmas ko ne hu se de first no ye kae na nanamo yesusu no bo se ye tonta de ne ye gi ani ye huni se sa no ma na se emu se sa ba meka ne sa fu we di e che se ayeti na dodo na din na ye ne nyina ye nim je sisi abesense ye komo enti no na nke huni se bre we dura adofo ne hia ye mfa nsanto nsayem ye no anaji bidi na nka enye fe enso so yare yinti no obeda no akomo obi na obi edi yare no ade odon sa so mko bi ni sa so ma ono so nya yare ni bi enti no Easter yi di meka ne se anije ni ho Asante mantem anije ni ho unhu se obi pia ko ba bi se okoji nani te se normal afetre ya ayetimu ye yi oyuhwe mu krampo na wona wo krompa ba bi ti se Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly hono mo ne dia otimi so mo amuntimi krampia bonten no mo de mo hwe mu fe krum hono mo dia tadi ne mom ne beka ne se ba bi a lockdown ne kan ba bi a wo se hono de 77 period asase hono ye krase kakra enti wo mo no me fa ne se strict no shed dan ye heavy e wo mo so no onke beka ne se at least kom de kom betimi anya kwanya je o mani kakra ne so kra wo hwe ya se e beka ne se obi njinu hwe ho obi a ye de ne normal adiyo awoye na intino santimanta media Easter Monday emuta TV tiana no fiada Yesu ye na besi kwasi da wo sorry ye nei esa ye holiday ni nyina no santimanta mata di mini aba
yes sorry ye in nature nko foda soda kofoda so ye kan tan wo mo
sorry dia na so no ya ni ntimi sorry
mutu sorry
yes dia wa sorry
ebe ye entino Kofi mami mesa wo eja ne chemu ni ade na gender minister wo kasa one of the most trusted TV station and what they say say aban no budget here 14 million billion for the catering of the food, you know. So me share no na so no gender minister no what they say ade aduane ni enyo emu ni share mu ni de ekoyi enti nkofo nya se wo mo keka se na aduane no kra na enye de e na dokro na aye bandan na se mo so na eyi anyi ne sesa ne ade. Is that how you see it? Oh Kumasi and Kumasi so one of the regions lockdown we affect wo mu yie pa sana wo hu niema se aduane chemu na aduane ne yemu ne ade no enko yie.
Many about mechanic say on say Adibiano, oh yeah, what's now on say, but soon be so and soon be so. And he said, what's now one night, but soon on sono, one any betty or babusi, one night and so on sono, almost a bet him. I didn't know mechanic say, on say, lockdown now, Bano, I can be a baby, okay, as a man, tell me, I know, Messi Makuma could do 9, and I just I can 14. Obo say, most in the baby, almost cherry, and no, a district, no. That's not yet, and as a capital on a mostly and a channel cost in normally. But o could be a monthly non crash any blue on a piano and enco. And never call crown sooner mechanism is discrimination. If you are no more channel. And no dear matter what it is discrimination is family. Maybe I will wish you any be a common more channel on a wobbing maybe. Now, say what 2 years, young chama will be a big it doesn't work. Meaning about it doesn't work at all. Many people are complaining. And I did back where you say, young nan, you see, and lock here. And you say about the chair, you need your district, I lock here. And you lock him and I'm a team on quantity. I was saying, second. If that is the case, it's a young chama, a year constituency, and as a district, I am lucky woman. I was a second. And you can't say me corporate one son and mania. But if you're no more Chinese, it's a whopper and son winger. And as it does say, will be the bed broke crowners to get the only panuno, and if you're no come one a year. So, and I was thinking, say, in my point of view, Moon say, Diana, young no, is very, very risky. But
me ba Kofi gender minister na pe wakasa no wo kire se aduane ni no emu ni de ado no enam so no akasa maame no wo di bi ni ntie no wo he se betumi akoka aye fine bibia na be fine omo ye aduane no ni se no mu si ye aduane ni ende ni nyina be call fine. And because of so omo mpe se bia na aduane obi ade na wa we didi na wa run ni ade nti no school feeding omo ye school feeding no and ometumi I entrust womo with food cooking no se na be ya bia betumi alcohol fine tin aduane ni momu de good because onu anka se wo di bi kransa omo de ba wo tasty bi anase wo di ansa o ma hye aduane no ene ne ye mu ni ade ni nyina no asembia enihu.
Oh well, if that is the case, I think it is good. But normal bako me no am me hu say you don't know who cooked the food. You don't actually know the person. If your baby you do know, sister, you have to think about yourself because some of the people know about the choir, they will not collect it. Okay. So they are saying because who are those people cooking? Who knew where they are coming from?
And I mean, Mama Diane no omo de ama omo mo ye school feeding no
school feeding program okay
enti no se omo mfa nkonkoma obi a keke omo yisheda mfa mo de ama nkofo a wo mo agi wo mo die se ometumi aye adwuma
na me busan so one thing say gender minister aden aduane no yemfa ma na wono ankasa empu eno wo aduane because one thing I mean is aduane na wano a wo de ba no. And one thing is, you want to be one of the almost account.
Oh,
they are feeding us. I don't know, and I make it now. And I have a media. What about the rest of the day?
Oh, coffee. Oh, dear, now we are. Now, you know, you're in some trouble for dinner. You're Bano. Yes, and your enemy is your mind. You can't shut down the mood to say first, no. Because of your area, baby, say, oh, my penny, I said 3 times a day. Wow, share with your wow fashion. Wow, fashion, no smash near their
one thing, so I was saying, yes, and he said, and no, my beer about was so much, and it shouldn't be in the Mufan say, Krumun Kwa. I was said, I never come when he said, there are some people in the rural areas now, or more brepa. Items now provided they provide it in the district capital and I say some baby on say I was a tremendous crash here.
no cre nanti o pese onkyera me se kumase nkran ketwa na wo no mo no o mu nhye da enye bisa na se den
o mu nhye da enye bibisa
are you sure because unso mampeni ne last speech obema ye no wo kra wo kire se sa 3 months free issue wo de ama electricity ni ade wo de ama ni nyina no wo ni nyina akogina titire ewo mi ma memo ni menwanu ma ya ye wo nkra no nkra ase ankasa na ye nya access to some of these things na no ntina ama na extend this we ni de akwa wo mu titire enti na kana chere se eno o mampeni aka ba
no ani momuri de nke for the villages samu na ye patre ana me chere se nyane ne che no enhye dan konkrase no
okay
nyane ne che no perspective no enhye dan konkrase the omo no district capital ni mu ye be konkrase no so na e bia gi se ohun ni pa bi ewo mu na wono no be kwa akopre na di bia bro me fia me timi me sanka bi
unsanka bi da from day one
me sanka bi ni bi da si nyina wi a wo quarantine nyina ya quarantine si won even me neighbor krampo na I've not seen anybody a wono wanya aduane ni bi
okay
eda ebe ba ye be cheba enti no eno so no mestre say gender minister won hwe na sa nyoma no omo ye nti ase say enuane no ye no asa de be ya wona lockdown aka wo mo no nyina benya biagi ana no na me pese me put you on question say ye hu nkrofo a wo se aduane wo mo ntin ye no aye because it could be say e bia sabi wona wontimi nkoma wona ya kan say ya we bi ana say bi bisa sabi o
disabled for physically challenged people no so mo nyina aka ho omo nyina aka wo mo ni kaya ye ofo ene yanma ye wo nkra ye nya access to insioni and the nyina account no mampeni wo ye bibisa ye titire ya no mu titire enti no mampeni na o take up that move na enye say ya say be ye wo ye way out e wo lockdown we mu ye do ye nyina ye kan ho de but ye hu se no mu ntina o mampeni o take bibisa app no so wa wo tie ni kase mu a
enti e was any addition e conform ye mama Fante ase because you meet some people are no more kasa and they are not but you can see that this person there he doesn't need any food for anything. When say Ghana hanom ni bibia be bia no obi benya ho asamaka enti wo pese wo ye mani panentiasia mani hu ni say we na me pese me ye say na e wo say ko nti nipa no to no mo say oh okay and yes say na tie kra de ni manya bia I will not talk on it but once I beka say oh lockdown do one more lockdown affect you one na ye no mo no wo hentrim so or pasamaka on could be other commander wundi but open a big aka and when it comes to this aspect now I was say your education eco form I said my for konya we so na men case one say there be a case protection measures say dey go akwa so there be where she will go say way I I'm very, very disappointed sometimes, especially those in the health center. You can see, say, obit you read your TV show or baby education, but on one and what is the seriousness? My mother, they're making us own. One more educate you, no, on just animal baby. And you know, nothing on one should be. Idea okay, won't should be. Once you know, I didn't know what I think I mentioned. And no can be named Kofubi Pin ain't the key. Yariano said the mechanism said, do not take any serious, no, and also can because you're not yet born with the Bruno. We don't show anything that say we are trying, we are trying to say in your way. So, and you also can, I just say, by your queer, do my economy, even police, security agents for Pampo Mobile, or be one shape groups on Sashi. And you know, wow, catch me some mommy over more by when you see. And you know, yes, leadership by example. Maybe I will back as a man, Yarian behind to me. Yarian doesn't know anybody. And to be a was you be a what the old bone with the Bruno. And so, excuse me to say, you are educated. And to be a young and none more 77 period. When I know when you're school, I was here, so you say, Yarian, it's you know, see, your child, but ye are more mobile. You be drawn me, you be more mobile. Ye are more free. And you almost to 1 month there, and I'm more grandpa more cast and money. That be a mecado and a hammy baby. I was here, yes, I didn't know. Especially with the media, I was here, yes, I didn't know. Soon, young demonstrating child woman. And you can see my boy. And so, no, uncle for Essa, and so no, who's a baby I find. Insurance dear, me ankasa me hu ni say amount for sun for free. Me ankasa me area mete ana mete say ya announcement say it doesn't matter how do you hanom no me kan say she da ben krom pdie. Na so no bon de go say mo pia ntonsu. Eno de ya de say ekoso.
Ukran we say be for free jare yes sir.
Oh me de me ya ni free gare.
No.
24/7 free gare.
Coffee you are nominated too as reporter of the year, right?
Of the year.
Yes. So voice out the code. You know, can you best first say to me? You vote to Eddie Ama or now Wakofa award. You know, Eddie Aba.
Meda Simini Aba say wasama mesa kwenyawi. Nyamiatom we Ghana Talent Awards. Bekoso nyamiatoma. Coronavirus is yame ya bibia tututia. 20th June ya said by nim how I are university akwa kudu.
And do June dear. Now yes na ya no because June is my month.
Okay, nyaweti ase. Enti said yet you know news reporter of the year and ya nominate him na nomination me was 3. Me sa blogger of the year.
Okay.
And website of the year. Now website of the year no France Media. Okay. And blogger of the year and also me Medina but news reporter of the year and mistake a crap and one say network near Didi Jumanity no etino oba enye Medina na wo ofusu hene on say more year typings no say nipa de mistake wo ho nti ofusu hene to do nya bo code ne pa code no star 920 star 4 and the official code
star
920 star 4.
Okay, so star 9204.
Okay. Star 902 star 4 star.
Okay.
So we need to on we have to code we no boss code we we are. Now the me code no. Until we are newscaster of the year me code ne 7155. Okay. 155. Okay. Until the person vote for Emma as a new reporter of the year. Star 920 star 4 star 155 ash. Now what Sunday? What Sunday? We be say period send a person vote to mommy. Now what type of show vote to back could be a 30 pesos.
Okay. And you be vote to Ama because I was so offer award needed ba. Ye near this year we are seeing na any because you pa and I will ye ask more mine Ghana. And I will say, you tell me coffee, nay, day, eba. And you know, I could mammy won't see her say, na, oh, dear, send a Jumani goose to I never say about one beam, repem, nature said, the air chogo, no, so the man peninsula can especially work on it for me. And let's see, say, truly, and penny for Eddie was here, your eman aya, at him a. Kumasi for almost omu to omu COVID-19 and I mean I was here na yemfa wo NC as e bedi nkomo etwe.
That's it,
okay, so busia Nsemsem Johnny Kofi Kumasi and our day Sam and Boy nyina a free one buy mama joining me call for our Facebook na ye ba ye be san me producer akwakodru say ya Alam Beach o say the other beach in so na say bibia to me the one woman crat so the abana ya sorry jumedie no so for enne nka say then ya be woni tew na so ni nyina no Alexander Kwamina Inketia or say great transmission. Thank you very much. Alexander, thank you. Why? Yeah, that's a brave. Entino, on says any other was no. Namisho and a coso na share or say they graphics too excellent, of course. Jumano yakase ya bay missio. Won bay entino guswa wo mo ye. Obisu edene de aba. Entino mami video no so edie sharp. X1 GH or say GH real or say powerful. Thank you. Kosuana share IGSG TV ne say BBA to East there Brasted Obama on 9 stews. Now also to me Eddie I enjoy at home. Adrian Pahine Francisco was Mesa was a great program. Thank you. Adrian Pa Brasted or say great work. See you keep it up. So they also saw your kubolo and then another fee. Oh, say, Ama, you are looking great. Happy birthday to the showbiz boss or Sika woman. Me yen free a cry. Just a minya who be our studio has a Sika woman. Want to mean your bibisa. And net a Sika woman and birthday. A showbiz boss, abaya tuntumna watina so divia say entertainment for concerning I the brew no and then Yakupon dia favor coin dia can na fiho. Na so nye bibia our studio has sent an amen can. But the Mayakojin Kratotia one a bar. Yabeko a me producer or Gabriel from Pon Honum Nadia, Aquacusi, or baby or no sono, what ye am I?
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jummaze do where I am Poboa. And Poboa sort here desert, lufes, lipes nade. Said Pem works nada, Ebo Emmanuel into Blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product here, a boom, a Pemi location so I know a Greek. Minome 0247 40 39 80. With us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Well, Ebusia, Etino, Mammy Mobibia, Cover BMS and Famba, Nsemsem Dwumadze so our IDSGA TV. Send me kind and pay a jink at all. We are smart and I ensure, sir. Dear, showing COVID-19 fight, you know. Bibia bet to me, our concern city. And until my member, she uncle me producer one no takrade has said, Bibaka Copiano, one fine crato, one me and family. Etino, producer.
Yeah.
Aha, sir, what do you mean, Gaddy?
Yeah.
It's your producer, Gabriel from home. Aha, what do you mean, Gaddy?
And a pay. And then you know, you are there. Yeah, I'm asking them near some aircon. I'm there. My Yabano Conantama. Takrade, I hookaka. Then my Takrade and Kayan, Yanata, and the Fishy and Yama Sakaka. I'm there. 2 years, which mean, and Kaista Mandi Bia in beach there, and so it's beginning to cancer.
No crack.
And I'm Yaban into Siciano. Beach near close down. Near close down. I'm there, at Abonanda. Like some beaches across the coastal line of Western region. Like they didn't know what on Jumpo. They did acquire one Sakakaya, ice test, small one, half our son. The man stands at the weapon. Alam Beach. In there, America says, I'm more last our beach.
Oh, last our beach, they say.
Last our beach. Yeah, Nimpa Coupon.
And obey you now.
Goes down. What to get me? Nimpa Coupon. No music, no food, no water, nothing.
Wow.
Yes. Beach me goes down.
Wow.
So further notice.
And to walk on and say, who did not who be a crowd?
No, but being military patrol and police phone wall guidance.
Well, and you know, okay, and you know, in Pennyform, when you are more a pro boy. And send or musie chiro munsemu efa any idea, and if someone should have been seen at the beach in Sua, Panatus Ben or Hon Medemasa and Pano.
If you are for now, no, the woman and if you have been found around the beach area, you be arrested.
Okay.
Yes, you be arrested because you are taking directives from the president. So no one should come to the beach. Everybody should stay at home. When people will be at the moment, they are stay at home. So when they bound the beach, they don't want to see anybody around. But yes, they ended the Yokoya Kakano. I think the Adam Beach was not social distance. Oh, you Juma. 1 meter intervals. Now you Juma Kakao. But a no man and there. It's for 10 minutes. I can't miss what happened. And don't last for long. But sometimes for a period of time, they no happen. So, but aside the one on kind I can close down.
Okay.
At this moment, I'm not
And then I pay no what won't penny for be some security personnel so more honman. I said because of say bowness and don't want no or more major man into security personnel be and so a new honum. because only say Ghana for their swording. Says a young ton sad dear, now so mobile to be a baby at the Abahono. And also,
oh, no, I'm not going to say, beauty for no walk over. They are in mufti, so it's hard for you to see them. But we'll patrol, especially marine police.
I know my Anas.
Yes, marine police. It ended that we'll patrol seriously. And as I'm still doing right now, or around, you can't see them, but we're around. When you try, they're arrested.
But Obia Japanese on no Bekasa. And I'm looking at things they don't want to show themselves.
They are all in mufti our program.
Yes, it's a percent or more honors is here.
Which attendance in one or more
okay. Is there anything you want to add up? And I say, and yes, I mean, maybe I say, looking at a problem of boning in Ano, you being a journalist, you know, how would you rate it?
Oh, but if you are looking at the situation, you know, Western region, you record one case. I'm already now because the Western region was total lockdown.
Sure.
And you're not sure I work here on the data.
No, Crania,
yes, I see one case happened one day. Lockdown working, and you're not sure I work here on the data. The president was working in Point, I work here on the data. It's a Western region. I think you're not sure, yes, you're on the airborne. One day, we don't need any directives from the president anymore. You're not sure, yes, you're mostly, and I say, you know, airborne for now.
That is a regional minister, honorable
regional minister, and MP on our part.
They are doing a great work.
The number will make sure that the Western region is safe. And looking at the situation, Western region is safe.
And money be soon, I'm more say. Lockdown winter no ama omu kunuma fa omu din. Do you see say this state is a concern that the government needs to come in?
So far as the lockdown will affect business, can affect the business about affect your personal business. Or your business Denmark. And in Denmark, so it is a permanent official number on the about Caribbean, Anchor, a bank manager, Anchor will inquire about
well, okay, and you know, there's no need for them to complain because they are banaba. And to let us all enjoy it.
Remember now, when you go better about about the baby day, you make them and to come out when your daughter. Man, I'm come out from the doctor.
Sasa. But it says you can't name about or don't know. Okay, all right. So, I was I am a producer. I don't mind some Dwumadze on over. Say Bribia and the 2 million nice programs at the bro. If I no give from Pono and Ekasa and so a free island beach. It's in the course no and our day a brayer. I was I breno. I a best sign to know ha. Any did you made any na be sick a woman and ne and go on day I feel about quacker wife Mr. And may it dull bedders even though we are quarantining ourselves, we are adhering to the precaution measures near down my niece is one party. Pasika, if you are watching Mimi Pacho Bomodiana ye baby was studio here, ya trepe. Sika Bomodiana, yes, I am the bay or no. And you know, Bomodiana say shows in your house over here. From Monday to Friday, and then Miss Orisua 5 p.m. Kujo freestyle. Sabi what the Jimmy program Bebro now so what's the you is there no down moment on IDSG TV only if you tune in and then you watch our programs and then Yami Aduma watching on Tuesday and so Kujo Bejo anymore Wednesday Sika Ede concerning in Abebremu Thursday so Saturday and Friday and also and then a new coming show and also about say your Bremu Sem. How Bremu Sem would a book crunchy. And say na Kojo a pigeon mukakra, a branching or tartan nichin wono, or the Bremu Sem so enche or the a bebro. And Bomadi answer, oh, best stay tuned. Now your program seen and why enjoy as part of your holiday celebration. This is a small way you see between the abona. Also to me enjoy. But money I call YouTube. Na call like share. I don't make a corner one and your horn for baby. But money I press so. Obenya yeah notification in no. Net is also to me. I should be so person won't sponsor your show and also you can call us on 0550510712 0550510712 and as when any of the program host in Libya over to me a friend no and as when him see you Matthias Stafford Damoa and also bet to me a friend no now only no attitude komo at a low price where COVID-19 a special package for you now also to me advertise will show na chese bibia to me akoso midi ede nana amabu do aha Nsemsem Dwumadze so the from Monday to Friday and we'll make sure that we'll bring you exciting shows say na be ya COVID-19 you will never to me ede idea ye ni ye wie ni sa eziami so bibia happy Easter to you all and then happy birthday once again from the Ideas TV crew to Sika Woman. Bye bye.